I replaced beef with pork in this grilled carne asada recipe with a tropical twist, and the flavors were amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making grilled Iberico Flank Steak with tropical salsa. First thing we need to do, prepare the flank steak. We're going to open the package with the Iberico Flank Steak. We're going to trim off some of the excess fat. Look at the tremendous marbling. We're going to marinate it overnight in the carne asada marinade. I love Meat Marinade from Chef Merito. Next, we want to prepare the pineapple. You want to slice the pineapple into slices. Then we're going to use a ring cutter to core the slices and remove the outside rim. We're going to vacuum seal the pineapple slices for a couple of hours. This will remove the air and intensify the flavors. It's been 24 hours. All the ingredients are ready. Let's get to grilling. We're going to dump lump charcoal into our grill. We're using mesquite. Now we're going to grill the pineapple slices a couple of minutes on each side. When they have a good color, flip them over. And when they're nicely charred on both sides, you can remove it. Then we want to cut these into smaller cubes. We're going to add this to a bowl. Then we want to add a finely cubed mango. We want to add a finely diced red onion. We're also going to add 2 finely diced jalapenos. We're going to add 1 finely diced yellow bell pepper. Then we're going to add chopped cilantro, the juice from 2 limes. And last but not least, we're going to season with some salt. You want to stir this and set aside. We want to remove the flank steak from the marinade, and then we're going to pat it dry. And just look at this beautiful red color. We're going to season it lightly with a carne asada rub. We're using Chef Merito for this as well. We're going to throw the flank steak on the grill and listen to that sizzle. And man, it smells so good. We're going to grill this and flip it every minute or so until we reach an inner temperature of 130 degrees. When ready, remove the Iberico flank steak from the grill. We're going to let it rest for a couple of minutes, and then we want to slice it against the grain. This is important. Slice it against the grain. The pineapple and the flank steak are grilled. Let's put together the dish. We're going to plate this on some banana leaves. We want to add the tropical salsa. We also want to add the grilled Iberico flank steak. And look at this dish. So beautiful and so delicious. And that is how I make my grilled Iberico flank steak with tropical salsa. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And the flavor is so amazing. Wow. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.